पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ईशावास्य उपनिषद has how many mantras? 18 mantras. In 18 mantras there is Jnana Nishtha and Karma Nishtha, only two topics. So how they are laid out, we understand. First mantra is Jnana Nishtha, Ishavasyam idam sarvam. Second mantra is Karma Nishtha, Kurvanneveha karmani. Third mantra to eighth mantra is elaboration on first mantra. In other words, Jnana Nishtha Vishaya Vichara is done in that from 3 to 8 in different ways. From 9th to 18th is all Karmanishtha, Vishaya Vichara. How do I know this? So first two mantras, Bhashyakara has already explained. First mantra is Jnana-nishtha, second mantra is Karma-nishtha. See now in third mantra. Yesterday, so it was said, Bhagwan Vedvyasa said something to his putra, ityadi putraya vicharya nishchitam uktam vyasena vedacharyena. So putraya, so I was told it is Shukadeva, correct? Whoever, just understand there are two paths, pravritti dharma, nivritti dharma. Shukadeva is there, Dhritarashtra is there, Yudhishthira is there, whoever. See further now. In Tika. आद्य मंत्रार्थम प्रपंचयितुम प्रथमम अविद्वन निंदा क्रियते इत्याह. आद्य मंत्र अर्थ है. प्रपंच मीन्स विस्तार. So ज्ञान निष्ठा विस्तार is done from 3 to 8. But third mantra is not directly talking about Jnana Nishtha. Third mantra is talking about Avidvad Ninda. Means the one who does not get Jnana Nishtha, for that person, Ninda is mentioned. Ninda means criticism. And whenever Ninda is done, Ninda is for somebody else's stuti. When it is said, those who sleep late and wake up late, they become unhealthy, unwise, unhappy. Means you should not do it. You should do something which is opposed to this. This is why Ninda is mentioned. So when Ninda is given in Shastra about karma, so it is said you follow Jnanam. When karma Ninda is mentioned, it is actually not for karma Ninda. Like we saw in Mundaka Upanishad, karma and upasana Ninda was elaborated. So it is not that one should not do karma, but a person who is adhikari for jnanam should take up jnana. With that intention, karma ninda is done. So here also, avidvad ninda is done. Means you become vidwan. Because avidwan is criticized. Nahi ninda nindyam ninditum pravartate. Apitu स्तुत्यम स्तोतुम. Nahi ninda. This is nahi ninda nyaya. This nyaya is called nahi ninda nyaya. Nahi ninda nindyam ninditum pravartate. Apitu vidheyam stotum. So this mantra, third mantra, has ninda. अविद्वद निंदा क्रियते इत्याह in भाष्य. अथ इदानीम अविद्वन निंदार्थो यम मंत्र आरभ्यते. दिस मंत्र इज फॉर अविद्वांस निंदा. असूर्यानाम ते लोका अंधेन तमसावृताः तांस्ते प्रेत्याभिगच्छन्ति ये के चात्महनो जनाः.
अन्धेन तमसावृताः तांस्ते प्रेत्याभिगच्छन्ति ये केचात्महनो जनाः.
असूर्या नाम ते लोकाः अंधेन तमसावृताः तांस्ते प्रेत्य अभिगच्छन्ति ये के च आत्महनो जनाः. ये के च आत्महनो जनाः असूर्या नाम ते अंधेन तमसावृता लोकाः तान् ते आत्महनो जनाः प्रेत्य अभिगच्छन्ति. असूर्या means related to asura. Those worlds which are related to asuras, they are covered by darkness and blinding darkness. Andhena tamasa. Both are in Tritiya. Andhena tamasavrita. We are not in that. Bhagavan gave immediately the pramana. तान ये के च आत्महनो जनाः, those who kill their self, those who kill atma. This is the literal meaning. Such people, they go to Asurya Loka, means they go to the world of darkness. So what is the meaning? Those people who neglect Atma and give importance to Anatma, any Anatma. Karma Kshetra, Karma Nishtha is for Anatma. They are seeking Anatma. So those who are seeking Anatma through karma. Such people, they are neglecting, rejecting Atma. It is as good as killing Atma. Atma Hananam means not that I am actually going to kill Atma. Atma Hananam means you neglect Atma. Accordingly, Guru Hananam means you neglect Guru. That is called Guru Hatya. In Mahabharata, there is some episode. Arjuna had taken a vow. Anybody who does ninda of my Gandiva, I will kill that person. Because he was very proud of his Gandiva. And once Yudhishthira criticizes Arjuna and Gandiva both. So Arjuna says, my pratigna is I have to kill. So Bhagavan Sri Krishna has to enter in between. This person kills him, then to pura our plan will be chaupat. He said, no, you don't kill Yudhishthira. You speak negative things about him or you ignore him. That is as good as killing him. You really don't do anything. And then you ask for forgiveness and all that. We'll deal with it later. But so you see, these Kshatriyas, they do some weird pratignyas. And then Bhagavan has to protect. Like Yudhishthira, Arjuna also had taken pratignya. By the end of the sunset, if I don't kill Jayadratha, I will put myself in fire. Why you have to take such pratignya and then you can't complete it? Then he has to jump. Then Bhagavan has to intervene. Okay. So this Avidwan's Ninda is this mantra. Atmahanana means I don't strive for Atma Jnanam. I don't strive for Atma Jnana Nishtha. And this portion, Ishavasya, in that this thing should be clear, Sannyasa is for Jnana Nishtha. Correct? Tena tyaktena bhunjithaha means you protect yourself by renunciation. So sannyasa is for jnana nishtha. So this division, jnanam and jnana nishtha, this is clearly understood here in this bhashya. If you read again, you will know that. So I have jnanam, but I want to gain jnana nishtha. Vividisha sannyasa is for that. Okay, let us see bhashya now. Asuryaha paramatma bhavam advayam apekshya devadayo api asuraha teshancha svabhuta lokaha asurya nama. Paramatma bhavam advayam apekshya. Paramatma bhava is advitiya Brahma. Compared to that, Devata is also called Asura. Devadayo api Asuraha. Second number Tippani you see. Second number means whatever is the Tippani number on Devadayaha. Asu sambandha shunyam advaya atma bhavam apohya asushu eva ramante hite. Asushu eva ramante iti asuraha. Asu sambandha shunyam advaya atma bhavam apohya. Asu sambandha means prana sambandha. Asu means prana. Atma has no sambandha with prana. आत्मा, अद्वितीय आत्मा इज असु संबंध शून्य. असु संबंध शून्यम अद्वय आत्मभावम अपोह्य, गिविंग अप दैट असुषु एव ही रमन्ते. व्हाट इज असु? सी फर्दर. प्राणवाच्य असु शब्द. प्राण इज असु. प्राण शब्द अभिलप्य इंद्रिय तद विषयेषु पर्यवस्यति इति बोद्धव्यम. So when it said asusu eva ramante, asu means prana. So in prana alone, those who do ramanam means what? Somebody said prana means all the time doing pranayama. No, that is not the meaning. Prana you take as upalakshana for indriya. Indriya you go on using for indriya vishaya. So here asu means indriya. Those who go on using indriyas for indriya vishaya, they are called asuraha. And devatas also they go on using indriya because they have more vishayas, more bhogas. So devatas are also called asuraha. Those who are in the higher worlds, they have more joy and easily available. Those people who are having lot of money and they are living in big cities where all bhogas are available, then they are not called devatas, they are actually asura. As far as Brahma bhava is concerned, Brahma jnanam is concerned, they are asura only. So that is what is given here. And now how that asurya shabda is formed, that is also given further. Tesham cha swabhuta lokaha asurya nama. Asurya, hrasva, u, not asurya. In the Moolam, in Bhashya, asurya is hrasva. Mila? Hrasva. It is dirgha.
Which is bigger.
That's why I am saying make it hrasva. Where?
Second one.
No, in Bhashya. असूर्या नाम. नाम शब्दो अनर्थ को निपाता है. नाम मीन्स इज अनर्थ निपात. असुरस्य स्वम, थर्ड नंबर टिप्पणी. असुरस्य स्वम इति अनेन वैदिक सूत्रेण असुर शब्दात् तद्धितो यत् प्रत्ययः इति जानन् आह. So in asur shabda there is tadhita yat. So asura yat will become asurya, and then bahuvachanam is asuryaha. ते लोकाः कर्मफलानि लोक्यन्ते दृश्यन्ते भुज्यन्ते इति जन्मानि. So loka means lokyante drishyante bhujyante iti lokaha, means janmani. All the different kind of births that we have, their prayojanam is karma phala bhoga, and that karma phala is seen and experienced. Lokyante means drishyante, drishyante means bhujyante. So you experience the vishayas, all the worlds are for that only, karma phala bhoga. So all worlds are actually world of darkness, even the worlds of devatas. If that world is for neglecting Atma, if I strive for Anatma there, means I say, "Oh, I want to accomplish this, whatever I say is for Anatma, then all of that is Asurya Loka. My all effort is for Asurya only. In टीका ते लोकाः इति तत्शब्दो यत् शब्दार्थे असुर्या नाम ते लोकाः. So that tat shabda is there, it should be for असुर्या नाम ये लोकाः अंधेन तमसावृताः तान् ये केच आत्महनो जनाः ते अभि ते प्रेत्य अभिगच्छन्ति. प्रेत्य means having died. Once they die, these people go to those worlds. So te lokaha means ye lokaha. In this way you have to understand. Further, andhena in bhashya, andhena adarshatmakena ज्ञानेन अज्ञानेन अंधेन अदर्शनात्मकेन अज्ञानेन तमसावृता आच्छादिता तान स्थावरांतान प्रेत्य त्यक्त्वा इमं देहम अभिगच्छन्ति यथा कर्म यथा श्रुतम. So those worlds andhena adarshanatmakena, those worlds which are adarshanatmaka means what you have to see you don't see, what you don't have to see you are more interested in seeing that. Ajnanena tamasa avrita, by the ajnana rupa andhakara these worlds are covered, enveloped. Achaditaha tan sthavarantan, those worlds all the way up to sthavara means tree etc. Sthavarantan pretya tyaktva imam deham tyaktva means having died abhigachanti, they reach there. Pretya word you already know, asman lokat pretya, and in Kenopanishad also where is pretya shabda?
उसके बाद भूतेषु भूतेषु चित्तदीवा
प्रत्यास्मान
लोका.
अम्मा ने कभी पढ़ा है केनोपनिषद? हाँ,
नहीं पढ़ा है.
ठीक है. त्यक्त्वा इमं देहम अभिगच्छन्ति यथा कर्म यथा श्रुतम. In टीका now, यथा कर्म यथा श्रुतम, कठोपनिषद is given. यथा श्रुतम इति येन यादृशं प्रतिषिद्धं विहितं वा देवतादि ज्ञानम अनुष्ठितम स तदनुरूपामेव योनिम आपनोति इत्यर्थः. येन यादृशम विहितम और प्रतिषिद्धम, by whom whatever kind of karma is performed, whatever kind of upasana is performed, vihita or pratishiddha devatadi jnanam means upasanam, then he will attain tad anurupa yoni. But you have to always remember, it will never be clear cut, this person has done only this, nothing else, so he'll get this. This person has done only this, so he'll get this. It is all some joy, some sorrow, all mixed up. So, you will never be able to say who has done what. And that's why karma, gahana karmano gatihi. Karma, how the results will come and what will happen, nobody knows. Not only within this life, after this life also what happens, unpredictable. ये के च आत्महनः आत्महनः आत्मानं घ्नन्ति इति आत्महनः आत्मानं घ्नन्ति इति आत्महनः. So how this shabda will be formed?
धातु
Han dhatu
अच प्रत्यय घ्नन्ति इज लट लकार प्रथम पुरुष एकवचन.
लट लकार प्रथम पुरुष एकवचनम घ्नन्ति. See something. हन्ति हतः घ्नन्ति. घ्नन्ति is not ekvachanam. घ्नन्ति is बहुवचनम. प्रथम पुरुष बहुवचनम. And this is a famous sutra. Gama hana jana khana ghasam lopaha 6498. Gama hana jana khana ghasam lopaha king tyanang nang I. This is the sutra 6498. So there Han dhatu will get that na lopa will happen, and then ho hanter ninneshu. This sutra we have already seen or not? Ho hanter ninneshu. That ha will become gha. Gnanti. Ho hanter ninneshu. That is 7354. Atmahanana. So what is Atmahananam? That he will talk about. Tika. Atmahantrutvasya udarabhedini prasiddhehe. Katham avidvamsaha atmahana ityaha. Atmahantrutvasya udarabhedini prasiddhehe. Atmahananam who will do? Udarabhedi. Udarabhedi means in Tippani it is given. You don't have to 4 number means 4 number tippani in my book. I don't know in your book what is the pratyaya number. Udara bhedini, is it there? असह्यम दुख विशेषम प्राप्य प्राण त्यागार्थम छुरिकादिना शस्त्रेण उदरम स्वकीयम भिनत्ति विदारयति यह स उदर भेदी तस्मिन्. When there is unbearable pain somewhere in the body, let us say, or in life in general, then he wants to give a pranatyaga. How? Churikadinam shastrena udaram swakiyam bhinatti. Taking the knife and swakiyam udaram bhinatti vidarayati. Yaha, that person is called udara bhedi. So for that person, this shabda is used. He is killing himself, killing herself. Their atma is deha. It is not atma hananam as in Shuddha Chaitanya about atma. And Shuddha Chaitanya atma hananam is not possible. So that is given. Atma hantratvasya udara bhedini prasiddhe. Katham avidvansah atma hanana. Avidvansa, how they will have atma hananam? It is said no. Avidwan people don't have atma hananam. Katham avidvan atma hananam ityaha. Katham te iti. So in bhashyasi, kete jana ye avidvansa. After kete jana, question mark is there or what is there?
Question mark is there.
You don't need question mark, remove that. Kete jana, ye avidvansaha, who are those people? You know, we make all some changes like this here, there, and we feel, oh, we are actually changing bhashya. We are not changing bhashya. These things were added later by the either typist or we might have suggested, but it is not in the right place. I have seen Bade Maharaj Ji in like Brahadaranyaka Upanishad, you know. Some lines also he has eliminated and put either somewhere else or some Vakya Prayoga he has changed. So he does that. In the beginning I felt, you know, because whatever Grantha that we saw, but there could be some errors. So how Ajnani people, they do Atmahananam, Katham te Atmanam Nityam Himsanti. How do they kill Atma? So see in Tika. Udara Bhedino Adhyatma Adhikare Prasanga Abhavat. Those who are Udara Bhedi, means those who actually tear apart their stomach, and for them, what are they going to study Shastra? They are dying. So they don't have Adhyatma Adhikara itself. Adhyatma Adhikare Prasanga Abhavat. Ashuddhatva adhyasena tiraskar eva atmahantratvam iti aha avidya doshena iti. Ashuddhatva adhyasena. When I say I am ashuddha, papavidha, etc., what I am doing is I am thinking myself to be anatma. Then I superimpose that anatma on atma. So ashuddhatva is adhyasa on atma. Ashuddhatva adhyasena tiraskara. Tiraskara atmanaha. Atma's tiraskara, 5 number. Tiraskara atmanaha. Atmana tiraskara eva atmahantratvam. This is called killing atma. Anything which is worth so much and you use it for very, very insignificant purpose, then it is like wasting that resource. It is called killing. Atma can give me Ananda, Paramananda. I use Atma for only Sat, Chit, not for Ananda. Means Atma using for Sat Chit also unknowingly we are using, not that we Ajnanis. They don't even know that this is what is happening. This is Atmahantritvam. Why this is happening? Because of Avidya dosha. In other words, ignorant people are killing Atma because they are neglecting Atma. They are forgetting the precious thing about Atma. So, I am really most precious. I, the Atma. Instead of that, I give more importance to some or other Anatma. This is called Atmahananam. So then what will happen? You will become dukhi. In Ramayana there is a shloka for Rama. Those who neglect Rama, they will be dukhi and bhikhari. Means those who neglect Atma, they will be beggars, beggars of Sukham. They will be asking Sukham from somewhere or the other. This is beautiful idea, we should dwell on it more. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.